The kakapo, which is endemic to New Zealand, has been placed under the critically endangered category within the IUCN Red List. The kakapo is a large flightless nocturnal parrot, endemic to New Zealand, reaching up to 64 centimetres in length and 4,000 grams in weight. Its anatomy is characteristic of bird evolution on an isolated island with few predators and abundant food, a robust physique allowing thermodynamic efficiency, reduced wing muscles, and a diminished keel on the sternum. Adults have beautiful mossy green plumage, mottled with brown and yellow, which provides excellent camouflage against the forest floor. It is often referred to as the parrot owl due to its owl-like face, yellowish brown and framed with modified whisker-like feathers. Juveniles are slightly duller in colour than adults and have browner faces. The feathers are downy and soft. The scientific name habratilla means soft feathers. It is the largest parrot known, and it is possibly the longest lived, reaching up to 90 years old. The kakapo feeds on a variety of fruits, seeds, roots, stems, leaves, nectar, and fungi. The kakapo's breeding season occurs between December and April. The kakapo is the only parrot to have a lek mating system. Males gather on a display grounds, where a number of bowl-shaped depressions are dug out in the ground. Having competed for access to the best locations, usually high along a hillside, a male settles into a bowl and then begins a boom and ching call to females via inflatable throat air sacs. This low-frequency call can be heard for up to 5 kilometres away. After mating, females incubate their eggs and rear the chicks alone, which is unusual for a bird species. 2 to 3 eggs are usually produced, and the chicks hatch after 30 days. Sexual maturity is not reached until 9 to 10 years of age. Furthermore, breeding is erratic and slow, occurring every 2 to 5 years, and is dictated by the infrequent availability of superabundant food supplies. One such event is the mass fruiting of the rimu tree, which only occurs every 2 to 5 years. The kakapo is endemic to New Zealand and was once widespread within the North, South and Stewart Islands, but is now extinct throughout this former range. The kakapo inhabited a wide range of habitat types, including lowland podocarp forests, which are hardwood forests native to New Zealand, upland beech forests, and subalpine shrublands. Between 1980 and 1997, all kakapo remaining on Stewart Island were transported to offshore, predator-free islands in order to protect them from introduced mammalian carnivores. The species now occurs on Codfish and Chalky Islands. The New Zealand Maori hunted kakapo for their feathers and meat, and the Polynesian dog and rat introduced by the Maori also preyed upon the species. European settlement led to a dramatic decline in the kakapo populations, and the situation became critical as Europeans set about clearing forests, hunting and releasing mammalian predators. The kakapo is particularly vulnerable to predation by mammals due to its strong scent, habit of freezing when threatened, and especially its ground nesting behaviour and flightlessness. The trusting kakapos didn't know about predators, as they had never learnt to worry about them and therefore made easy prey. These factors, together with very low breeding strategy, are key to the decline of the endangered kakapo. In 1989, a kakapo recovery plan was developed to translocate the remaining kakapos to Codfish and Anchor Island, which were carefully prepared predator-free islands for safekeeping. The drastic measure of removing all surviving kakapo to predator-free islands has averted extinction of these remarkable birds. There is also a national kakapo team and a 10-year recovery plan for the species. Measures to conserve the kakapo include intensive, invasive management of free-living individuals, including supplementary feeding in order to stimulate and support breeding, and measures to improve the survival of chicks. Although research and management is ongoing, the dictation and hard work have paid off, and initial results are very encouraging. The population has increased from 51 individuals in 1995 to 123 in 2010.